Hello everybody, welcome to Road to Manhood. My name is John Moses. Today we're going to talk everything ARB single air compressor. I know before I made that purchase I had a lot of questions. I've had this for some time and I've used the mess out of it, so I got a lot to say. We'll be talking about product details, pros and cons. I'll show you my setup and how it works and hopefully answer your questions, see if it's worth it for you. Let's go. Alright, let's talk about some product details. This is the ARB high output onboard single air compressor, constructed from lightweight high quality material both for the onboard and portable models, equipped with a overpressure sensor safety valve, thermal protected motor for extreme temperatures, sealed for moisture and dust. This thing is a little baby tank. Perfect for air lockers, tire inflator, and more, as you'll see on this video. Installation. Guys, I'm not gonna sit here and act like I actually installed it myself and I'm cool like that, because guess what? Electricity and I just do not get along at all. I had this installed by a shop, including with all my lights all simultaneously. I do know that they had to make a custom bracket to secure the compressor in place, but in regards to all the electrical specs and relays and all that, I have no clue. I just know that with the truck on or off, I can use the compressor, obviously using it when the truck is on so you can get the full power of it. And I also know that my truck doesn't die randomly, so I'm happy with it. However, where I installed it is a different story. This is where I get the kudos. No, not really, I'm just kidding. I actually do some research and I got inspired from a few overlanders on YouTube, and I chose to install the compressor in that huge empty space in the passenger side under the hood. I also installed a seahorse case on top of the fuse box where all the accessories and the on and off switch hang out. This choice has been super great, especially because I never have to worry about forgetting any accessories when I hit trails or anything like that. Also, it's very convenient. However, if I decide to do like a dual battery or something like that, I may have to change that up, maybe potentially. I haven't gone there yet, guys, but this setup works great. Now, the thermal protection and the seal protection is great because it does get super hot under the hood, but I yet to have any issues with it. Alright, I'm gonna give you a quick rundown on how it works. A quick side note, I also have the ARB digital inflator that I personally would recommend. I also purchased some tip adapters from Amazon so I can inflate some balls and water tubes, also including my water port as I done before. But when inflating a tire, it's pretty cut and dry. The 20-foot hose to the compressor and the digital inflator are all done by quick connects. And the digital inflator has a pretty solid clip that holds on to that tire weenie pretty well. And as you release the air, you're done putting air, the digital numbers go to work and tell you exactly where you stand. You also have the option, for example, if you put too much air, you can release it from the digital inflator. But if you wanted to just air down completely, I wouldn't go this route. I would just recommend that you do the ARB Easy Deflator. That thing works awesome and will deflate those tires rather quickly. I'm going to give you an overview that actually includes my pros and cons, because I absolutely, honestly, love this thing. It is very convenient in multiple situations, not only to air up tires, durable for off-road adventures, located in a place that will not take up space for my other camping gear. I've also filled up tires on multiple vehicles with no issues. It wasn't worth going dual air compressor for me since the Divide was based more on time to fill, and honestly that kind of doesn't matter to me, and other items that didn't align with my needs. Also, the customer service, every time I contact them for questions, they've been on point and very quick to respond. But because it is under the hood, the accessories can get really hot and that can be annoying. But honestly, that's probably the only con that I really have. Besides price, I do see how that can be a con because it is not cheap, but it's totally worth it, at least for my specific needs. And if you have these similar adventures that I do, I feel like this is going to come definitely in handy across the board. But when you take in consideration the accessories and the installation, that dollar bill can increase and rise on you. Worth saving up in my opinion. I love this product and I'm so glad it's a part of my rig. And that's my review of the ARB single air compressor. I hope this was beneficial to you in one way or the other. If you do have already one of these, please share with us your experience. If you want to show us your rig, let me know. Send me a DM to my Instagram, YodaBeFresh, and we can start that dialogue. Like and subscribe to be a part of the Road to Manhood community, guys. More videos coming soon. Peace.